I raised my rates by 50% and didn't lose one client. It wasn't confidence and it wasn't luck. It was timing and 3 sentences. Clients almost never leave over price. They leave over surprise. That lands out of nowhere feels like a betrayal. The same increase, framed right and timed right, feels like a professional doing business. Same number, completely different reaction. So the game isn't the price, it's the delivery. Move 1. Most people ask for more when they're stressed, behind, or resentful. That's the worst possible moment. You raise your rate the week you delivered something they loved. Right after a win, when they can feel your value, not when you're underwater. The message is one line. Starting next month, my rate moves to X. I've loved the results we've been getting, and I want to keep giving this account my best work. Move 2. Don't yank the rug on existing work. Keep their current scope at the old rate for 60 days and apply the new rate to anything new. Now you're not the villain, you're the pro who gave them a heads up and a runway. Almost nobody leaves over a fair runway. And here's the quiet part. Most clients will just absorb the new rate across the board because asking you to track 2 rates is more annoying than paying you more. Move 3, and this is the one people fail. After you send the number, say nothing else. Don't justify it, don't list reasons. Don't offer a discount before they've even pushed back. The silence is the close. The first person to talk after a price loses, and it should not be you. And if someone does walk, run the math before you panic. 5 clients at $30 an hour is the same money as a bit over 3 clients at $45. You could lose a client and a half and come out even, with more free time. That's the real reason rate increases aren't scary once you've done the numbers. The number protects you, so before your next rate conversation, go find out what you should actually be charging. We built a free pricing tool that runs it for you. It's at virtueasy.com. Know your number first. The confidence comes after.